I tested over 50 of the hottest 3D printers of 2025, so you don't have to. If you're wondering which ones are actually worth your money, you're in the right place. I've narrowed it down to the only printers I'd recommend this year, whether you're a beginner, a business, or just looking for the best value. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which printer you think is best for your needs. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. All right, let's get started. Number 1, Prusa Core One. The original Prusa Core One is a professional-grade 3D printer that's really built for business. What sets it apart is its enclosed CoreXY design and all-metal construction, which give it exceptional stability and reliability. This makes it perfect for continuous production-level use. Think small businesses, prototyping labs, or anyone who needs a printer that just works day in and day out. One of the best things about the Core One is how seamlessly it integrates with Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect. You can manage multiple printers like the Core One and the MK4 series from a single streamlined system. That's a huge time saver if you're running a print farm or juggling several projects at once. When it comes to print quality, the Core One is consistently excellent across a wide range of materials, from basic PLA to engineering-grade ASA features. Like automatic bed leveling, filament sensors, and advanced extruder calibration, mean you spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually printing. While it doesn't have built-in AI monitoring, the reliability is so high that you rarely miss it. The main limitation is its build volume, 250 by 220 by 270 millimeters. For most projects, that's plenty, but if you're working on really large prints, you might need to split them up. Also, the initial investment and maintenance parts are pricier than entry-level options, but honestly, the dependability and customer support more than justify the cost. Number 2, Bambu Lab X1C. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is my standout pick for education, but it's also a fantastic all-rounder for anyone who wants fast, reliable, and straightforward printing. The AMS system supports up to 4 filaments, so you can do automatic color and material changes. Perfect for creative classroom projects or anyone who loves multicolor prints. AI-guided calibration and the enclosed CoreXY design ensure you get consistent, high-quality prints with minimal setup. That's a big deal for schools or labs where multiple people might be using the printer. From the moment you unbox it, the X1C feels refined and thoughtfully designed. The enclosure keeps the build area thermally stable so you can experiment with advanced materials like ASA and nylon without worrying about warping or failed prints. Print quality is sharp and accurate, even on complex models. The ability to use support material and multiple colors really expands what you can create. The X1C's speed is impressive, especially for single filament prints, and the touchscreen plus remote monitoring make it easy to manage, even if you're not right next to the printer. The build volume is 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, which is enough for most projects, though it does limit you on really large prints. The AMS system adds some cost and maintenance, but the overall reliability and ease of use are unmatched. For educators, the X1 Carbon just works, delivering consistent results and minimal downtime. That's why it's my top pick for the best for education 3D printer. Number 3, Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is an excellent choice for beginners and growing makers. It's designed to be intuitive and reliable with a sturdy frame and clear assembly instructions that make setup a breeze. The touchscreen interface and mostly automatic calibration mean you can get started quickly, even if you've never used a 3D printer before. The real standout here is the Ace Pro multi-filament system. It lets you print in up to 4 colors and makes material changes super simple. While it does need its own power source, the experience is almost plug and play, which is rare for multicolor printing at this price point. Print quality is solid, with minimal ridging and clean overhangs. It's great for figurines, props, and prototypes. Speed settings are easy to adjust, so you can find the right balance between quality and print time for your needs. The build volume is 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters. Plenty for most beginner projects, though not for really large models. Like other multi-material printers, you'll get some filament waste during color changes, but that's pretty standard. Number 4, Creality Hi. When I first tested the Creality Hi, I had to double-check the price. It's rare to see this level of quality and features at such an affordable cost. Since then, it's become my go-to recommendation for anyone starting with multicolor 3D printing. Assembly is quick thanks to a solid chassis, responsive touchscreen, auto-leveling bed, and even a built-in camera. Features you don't usually find at this price. The multi-filament system supports up to 4 colors out of the box, making it perfect for hobbyists and crafters who want to create vibrant, complex models with ease. Print quality is consistently good, with strong bed adhesion and reliable results on both large and small prints. The built-in camera allows for remote monitoring, and the user interface is intuitive, with most setup handled automatically. There are some trade-offs. Dimensional accuracy can dip on very fine details, and the open frame design limits you mostly to PLA. Filament changes do create some waste, and strong bed adhesion can make removing delicate prints tricky. Overall, the Creality Hi delivers impressive multicolor capabilities and premium features at a budget price, making it a standout choice for creative, colorful. Number 5, Bambu Lab H2D Full Laser Combo. The H2D Full Laser Combo is not your typical 3D printer. It offers a range of tool heads for laser engraving, cutting, and digital cutting, alongside exceptional 3D printing capabilities. Out of the box, it supports 5 filament printing, with the option to expand up to 16, making it a unique choice for advanced multi-material projects. You can get it as a standard 3D print version or the full laser combo. The H2D features a large build volume and a dual nozzle hot end system, which speeds up dual filament prints and reduces filament waste, especially for multicolor or multi-material jobs that saves both time and money. A heated chamber and all-metal hot end allow the H2D to handle demanding filaments like ABS and ASA with consistent commercial-grade precision. Swapping tool heads is straightforward after a little practice, unlocking creative potential across multiple disciplines, all in one machine. The main trade-offs are a higher price point and the need for extra workspace for add-ons like the laser and AMS units. Still, for those seeking versatility and top-tier performance, the H2D Full Laser Combo is my pick for best overall multifunction 3D printer. So, which is the best? For me, the Bambu Lab X1C stands out with its unbeatable speed, print quality, and smart features. If you want the ultimate 3D printing experience in 2025, that's the one to get. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.